Been crushed today. How much higher do you think yields will go?
I think we can see 10-year yields heading towards 5, potentially even 5.25%. The Italian bond markets had a great run. Yields have fallen from 6.5% in July. We've seen a lot of people move back into Italy, at least on a shorter term basis. And I think this is a great reason for them to take profits, first of all.
Is that all it is, taking profit, or are you getting the sense that people are actually thinking about this being a time to go short?
No, I think at the moment it's predominantly sort of profit taking. I think you will see some people also jittery about the whole run-up to the elections, which are probably going to be in February, and what it actually means in terms of the medium-term strategy for Italy.
So what's the trade here? I mean, all the bonds are getting sold off today, but if you take a step back, do you buy 2-year, sell 10-year? Do you buy Italy, sell Spain, for example? I mean, what's the trade here?
I don't think you want to try and nuance it sort of too much. The front end of the curve is definitely helped by the existence of the ECB OMT. Today, however, we've seen the whole curve lift in Italy, and I think, at least in the short term, the 10-year area is probably the most vulnerable, 2.5% and a little bit more, and that's probably the clearest short-term strategy.
How much of a concern is it that, well, I know you're not an equities analyst per se, but Italian banks are down 7% today, and we also heard today that these very same banks are holding record quantities of Italian government bonds.
I think the reaction in the banking sector is similar to the BTB reaction. The markets had a great run since the ECB announced the OMT operation. I think you're seeing largely profit taking sort of occurring, and that can probably sort of continue for the rest of this week.